Phil Peacock. I run the 2 bandsaws, making parts for the trailers, mainly for the frames, the ribs and stuff. I'm from Arkansas. Before I came here, I was working at a horse ranch, shoveling horse poo, making $8.33 an hour. 10-4, 3-inch C channel, 97 inches.
So in the day of smartphones and all of that, you got a whiteboard and a radio.
All right. Bundles come in from the steel factory. We just cut the bands off, run it through here, cut whatever length we need. The control panel, got a power, trip removal, blades going down through the bundle. There's a missing system. That's what the smoke is the oil burning off as it cuts. I'm just trying to keep this thing going. Pretty good company that we've grown a lot in the last several years. I remember when we just had this one building. Now we got 4 and more coming. Yeah, there's a lot of good people around here, especially the ones in charge.
Story about the cat.
Oh, Midnight? He showed up about 1.5 years ago with his sister. And they were just little kittens, but she came up missing and he stayed around. Hi, I'm Phil Peacock, Phil Gazan Peacock Jr., and I work for Texas Pride. Get them if you can get them.